Yes, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in SBI Clerk 2023. UV and Ekansh started a business with the investment of 30,000 and 36,000 respectively. After 6 months, UV withdrawn 20% of his initial investment and Karthik started business with the investment of X. At the end of the year, the total profit of the business is 1,32,000 and profit share of Ekansh is 48,000. Find the value of X. X is the investment of Karthik. In the question, it is given UV and Ekansh started a business with the UV invested 30,000 and Ekansh invested 36,000. And after 6 months, UV withdrawn 20% of his initial investment. So initial investment of UV is 30,000. Out of 30,000, he withdrawn 20% of his investment. So means 30,000, 10% of 30,000 is 3,000. So 20% will be 6,000. So 36 minus 6,000 will be 24,000. So first 6 months he invested 30,000 and after that he withdrawn 20% means 6,000 and after that he invested 24,000 for next 6 months. So usually for 1 year we calculate, and Ekansh invested 36,000 throughout the year. And after that Karthik started a business after 6 months when UV withdrawn. After that Karthik started a business with the investment of X. Karthik, for the next 6 months Karthik invested X. We need to find the value of X, and at the end of the year total profit of the business is 1,32,000 and profit share of Ekansh is 48,000, and we need to find the value of X. X means investment of Karthik. So options are given: 72,000, 76,000, 80,000, 64,000, and none of this. So we will solve this. Usually this type of question we can solve by ratio method. So here three persons are given UV, Ekansh and Karthik. So we can write UV, Ekansh and Karthik. Okay, for 1 year span we will calculate. So UV initial investment was 30,000, but after 6 months he withdrawn is 20% of amount. Means for first 6 months it was 30,000. So 30,000 into 6. But after 6 months he withdrawn 20% of his initial investment. 20% means 3,000, 30,000 means 10% will be 3,000 and 20% will be 6,000. So 30,000 minus 6,000 will be 24,000. So for next 6 months he invested 24,000. So 24,000 into 6. This is for UV, and for Ekansh it is 36,000 into 12. So Karthik invested after 6 months. When UV withdrawn is 20%, Karthik started. So for 6 months he invested X per amount. So 6 into X. So we can solve this. 30,000 into 6 is 1,80,000. And this is 24,000 into 6 will be 1,44,000. And this will be 36 into 12 is 432. So it is 4,32,000. So it is 6x. So it will be, when we add these two, it will come out to be 3,24,000. And it is 4,32,000. And it is 6x. So this is 6x. So for solving method we will make it easy. So we will divide 6 throughout. So it will come, when we divide by 6 it will come out to be 54,000 and it is 72,000, and 6 by 6 is X. So this is the means this is ratio for UV investment ratio of UV, Ekansh and Karthik. So in the equation to find X, they given info is up to here we saw. So total profit they have given. So total profit is 1,32,000 and total profit, and Ekansh profit share is Ekansh profit share is 48,000. So usually when we have ratio, so next we will solve. So usually we can write this says Ekansh profit is 48,000 given. So we will write this as total profit, and here we need to write Ekansh investment. What is Ekansh investment? It is UVs, it is Ekansh and it is Karthik. So Ekansh investment is 72,000 divided by total investment is 54,000, 72,000 plus 6. So we can write it as 54 plus 72 is 126. So 1,26,000. So usually individual's profit will be total profit multiplied by individual investment divided by total investment. This is the usual ratio we use like that. So it is individual investment divided by total investment into total profit will be individual profit. So, and it is X because it is 52,000 to 70,000 plus X. So using this we can find the value of X. So we can arrange it in this way: 1,32,000. Here 72,000. So we will take it is in a denominator. So it is 42,000 X. So here we can cancel this. 0 is these 3 0, and we can do by 24 2s are 24 3s are, and 2 1s are, it is 66. So it is 66,000. 66 into 3 is 198. So 198 0. So 126 0. So value of X will come out to be 72,000. So this is our answer. Option A is correct. Thank you guys.